Hi everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how anyone can create a professional website, publish it, and even connect it with a custom domain using EasyWebie. If you need any help, just click here. You'll find answers to almost everything. So, without wasting any more time, let's build your first website. First, type your business name. Next, select your business category. Now choose the tone of your website. Here, tell EasyWebie about your business. The more details you provide, the better your website will be. So don't skip this step. Now upload your logo. Next, upload your hero images. If you have any additional images, you can upload them here as well. That's it. Now, EasyWebie AI will do the hard work for you. This may take a few moments. Congratulations, your website is ready. I know it's not perfect yet, but don't worry. From here, you can edit everything that the AI has created. You can change the navigation bar background. If you have any issue, you can even use AI to fix it. For example, I'm asking it to solve this mobile navigation menu issue. You can add more hero images to create a carousel. If you don't need an image placeholder, you can remove it. You can edit any text or content simply by clicking on it. You can also change this entire section with another template if you like. And if you know a little HTML and CSS, you can directly edit the section code. In EasyWebie, you have complete flexibility. Let's create an About page. Click Add New Page, type About, and that's it. You can ask AI to redesign the entire page, or you can reuse sections you've already created. Simply click Save as My Template, then open the About page and insert that saved section. You can reuse any section on any page whenever you want. But don't forget to link the new page in your navigation bar. You can also add a floating WhatsApp button like this. You can change its position, or replace it with a contact, Facebook, Instagram, or any other button. Just add the link, and you're done. Now let me show you how to publish your website. You can change your website title, add a meta description, or simply let AI generate one for you. This is how your website may appear in Google search. If your preferred EasyWebie subdomain is available, you can use it. Your favicon is automatically generated from your logo. Now click Continue to publish. Here, verify your website content. you can publish it for free with an EasyWebie domain. If you want a custom domain, you can purchase one directly here. Or, if you already own a domain, you can connect it easily from here. For now, let's publish it for free. That's it. Click this link to open your live website. Sometimes it may take around 10 to 20 minutes for the website to become available worldwide. So if you see a blank page at first, don't worry. Just wait for a few minutes and try again. And that's it. Your website is now live. And that's how easy it is to build and publish a website with EasyWebie. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.